All right, let's start again. This lab is a test radius accounting lab for cybersecurity for packet tracer. I had recommended prior to for you guys to go in and load packet tracer from the Cisco Academy. And once you load packet tracer 8.2, it will load onto your machine and it will give you the ability to test different labs for, in this case, cybersecurity. So in this lab, we're testing the radius accounting. First thing we want to do is test the console by switching to disable mode on the R1 router and run exit. Hit enter and go back to disable mode. So that's pretty easy. So what we're going to do here is actually bring this down a little bit so that you can actually see this in a bigger format. That. Anyway, you wanted to go to the actual lab itself, and this will take you to the lab itself. You just wanted to get to the lab, bring it over from the second console onto here. So this is the lab itself. This is what it's going to look like, server 0. So you would actually go into your configuration or your CLT on the lab, close this, bring up the lab itself. It says go into R1 router. So click on R1 router. The router comes up. Hit enter. It says particularly for this lab, they want you to hit enter and go to R1 and hit exit. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to hit exit. Okay. Okay. And run exit. Hit enter and go back into disable mode. Okay, so we hit enter. And it should come up actually for user and password mode. Let's just go back a bit. Exit. Okay. So the password is Cisco. Okay, username is exit. Sorry about that. Let's go back. The username is user, according to the diagram here. And the password is Cisco. Enter Cisco. Takes you to R1 router, if you notice here. Okay? So from here now, it says all console activities, including Cisco and logical, show to show this value. Okay, to see the log on, go to the Radius Server Desktop AAA accounting server. So from there, what they want you to do is go from there to the Radius Server physical desktop. So you go to physical and you look at the Radius accounting. Let's see here. Radius Server Desktop AAA accounting. Okay. And Radius accounting. So that's what we are looking for here. Go to Radius Server. Oh, actually not here. Sorry. Go to the Radius Server. Click on the Radius Server. The Radius Server is going to come up with this values over here. Okay. And we see these values in here, but what they wanted you to do is exactly what they said here. Exit the console. Activity should be recorded on the server, desktop, AA accounting, and then you'll see the values here. So these are the values. So we've done the lab. That's what this lab wanted to actually see, that we was able to disable this in R1, run exit, hit enter to go back into disable mode. When prompted, go into the thing and see if it actually created a log for this. Okay, just giving you an indication. But with this thing, anything that you click on here is going to come up. Okay, that's the switch switch will come up. It'll show you like a real diagram of the switch. It'll show you what a server looks like. This is what a server looks like. It's all real. It gives you kind of a real look of what the actual physical equipment looks like. Okay, that should be it for now. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed that.